I am currently in Conyers, Georgia, supporting my mom in her back to school drive. Look at my shirt. This is my second client this far. We started at 7, 8 young. And yeah, I'm being overworked and underpaid. I'm currently here with my sister and my friend Josh. He's my cameraman for the day, and she's my assistant.
Well, the assistant's about to go do her job.
I'm about to do my last 2 braids, 15 minutes. Let's go. It's 10:37. I'll be done in 15 minutes. I'm at the bottom of this braid. That did not take long at all. It is 10:47.
We would have been 10:47. We still on the first braid. What's how you started?
That's a good question. Josh is back there whispering on the phone to somebody. Y'all see people do this? He just run the clock and charge me for 5 hours in this house. And this how he's spending his time. I had to come outside so y'all can see Jada's hair. Come here. Just look how small I am. What grade are you in? I'm about to be a sophomore, and I'm shorter than her. I look down so you can see. Oh, it looks so cute. Turn around. Look over.
You make me sick of doing somebody here. Ow.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Thanks so much. I don't know what I'm doing without you. I'm literally the last one standing. My little brother is my last client. We started at 7 a.m. It is now 10:12 p.m. Ooh. So it's literally gonna take me all of maybe like 20 minutes to twist his hair, if you know what I'm saying, right? Okay, Justin, you gotta hold your head up, okay? So he's the last one on the list. And then I can go home. Okay, I'm all done. Oh, let me back up so y'all can see. All done. No one talks about the work that gets done after the job is done. We have to pack everything up. I got food.
I'm the one that brought his hair like that.
I got school supplies. I'm set. Today has been the day. The final finish time is 10:38 p.m. Okay, Ma, how did you feel today? How was it?
It was good. We had a good turnout in Conyers, and we serviced all the kids that came. Very tiresome, but everything was good.
Really, my back hurt. Josiah, come here.
Back hurt, feet hurt.
Josiah, come
It
here.
was worth the service all those kids for back to school with their hairstyle.
This is our 3rd year doing this. We'll be doing it again next year. Come here. Pause that. And this is my brother's hair. Look down. It looks so good. I also got a tutorial on this too. I'll link it. But all right, y'all, we are out of here. We are out of here. Okay, we gotta do it at the same time. 1, 2, go. I'm back at it again, day 2. Oh, Mama, can you say hey to my vlog? Hey. Day 2. This is 21 Savage back to school drive, y'all. I just worked a 12-hour shift yesterday, and I'm doing it again today. I just did one at Conyers.
Oh no.
So I just parked. As y'all can see, my background, people are already in the line. I'm about to go back to where I'm stationed to be and set up. I'm about to get ready and thug it out. This is where me and the other braiders will be working at. Right now it's empty, but we need some chairs. I mean, we need chairs and tables. I was just talking to somebody and they said y'all had some rectangle tables, but if the round ones are the only ones, I'm fine with that.
Yeah, rectangle tables.
Okay. Whenever we can.
And all them.
Maybe like.
I'm getting more tables, but all the guys are up there doing that.
Okay, that's fine. Maybe just 3.
Okay. 13
Yeah.
in total.
Okay, 3 is fine. Thank you. So yes, I'm going to wait on the tables, but until then I'll be setting up my hair stuff. So me and Aaliyah is here. We're making a quick stop to the beauty supply store because it was some complications with the braiding hair. But but we still want these kids to get their hair braided. So hello, we want their hair to get braided. So we just about to go the extra mile to get that done. Oh, look who's playing in this beauty supply store. This is perfect time, actually. Thank you. As y'all can see, I just went crazy on accident. Very chaotic. 2 braiders versus 2,000 kids. Let's see what we could do. Oh, that was way better. You behind me? That was way better than going down that hill. Let me show y'all what's going on. So here, they got the school supplies going. As y'all can see, 24/7 sign is up. They got the shoes over there. Oh, it's about to be real good. The book bags. But we're not going to be a part of the fun. We're going to be in this back dungeon working like slaves. Finally, we got started. We had to go to the line and pick out our kids. And I'm on my first one. And I'll be back when she's finished. Oh, you said out? Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, gotta go. Gotta go. Guess who's here again today? He come in the front. And y'all, he's so big back. Look. Oh, you Wizard Kelly, because you can't even fit in the screen. Y'all, look at Leah getting started. Hey, client number 2.
Please.
Wait, I gotta do these shoes. The line is so long. And he said I can't sing.
You did.
Say it with your chest to the camera. Yes.
Oh.
Okay, I didn't know he was that bold. Oh wow, excuse me. That's why I'm gonna kick him out of here. He's out of here. Okay, this is my little pipsqueak right here. So I just got done with another one. So I just got done with another one, and y'all can see he's so pimp squeaky you can't even see his face. Why would you even say that to me? You want rubber bands on the end of your hair? You want rubber bands on the end? Stand up right here so my block can see you. Stand up. I gotta put rubber bands on the end. Boy, look at that hair. Hold your hair down. Boy, too clean. Hey. Now I gotta put rubber bands on it. And you said you play D1 football?
I play quarterback.
We don't play D1 football. He played youth.
Okay. Sign right here. You gonna sign with a pencil? Oh, get him the way. As y'all can see, I'm with the hottest celebrity athlete out here in these streets. So I'll be the first one to get his autograph. Please sign my paper, please. Oh, what? That's what's up, twin. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, show me your name. I have no clue what happened to my audio right here, but if I can remember, I was highly upset that my photographer was leaving me for dead. I did not take it well, and right here you just see me being very sad. Delete that laughing. I really was not happy. I was very sad. This is the last one of the day. Literally, everybody's cleaning up and we're here.
Yeah.
The drive was over an hour and a half ago. But I can't leave until I'm finished with her hair. Are you gonna tie your hair down?
Yeah.
What's your name? Mackenzie. I'm really braiding special because they said that Wilton has closed. But I'm trying to get finished by the time everybody got cleaning up. So
All that stuff is in there. So you got enough time there because all that stuff in there.
there's still a lot of people doing it. It's only one of me, so a lot of people doing it, so they might move fast.
Baby, they ain't move fast. Got a whole gym to put it in.
I'm gonna have to dip the paper out.
Shut up.
Lean all the way over. Oh, lean over this way. To me. Okay, be very still. Do not try this at home.
You feel?
Lean your head all the way over to the table.
And then mommy.
Literally no towels. Okay, hold this up with your thumb and your index finger like this. Or like a check mark. Hold this. Alright. Put your head down like this. And lean over to the left. Okay, no, this is you. Just make your elbow. Alright, hold it front and back. Front and back. And let it lean forward. Yep. Man, tilt.
Is it going to be long?
Okay. Y'all do not try to sound so scary. Very, very still. Ooh, girl, give us a turnaround. Ooh, girl. Ooh. Last one of the day. Everything is packed up. I am in the car. I am headed home. When I say tired, I mean tired. Doing 2 back-to-school drives 2 days in a row has killed me. No one talks about the ending. Once you're done working, you have to pack up. And then I have to go to the shop and unpack all this stuff so I can work on Tuesday. I got my work cut out for me. So y'all, I'm just going to end the vlog here because I need time to decompress.
Say friends, girl, you got it.